Your specific person will come back to you in an hour or less after listening to this meditation. Hello, everyone. I am Janell, your manifesting love guru, and today I'm going to help you make your specific person come back to you in 1 hour or less. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too. Just visit me at joybyjanelle.com. Are you having difficulty manifesting your specific person, the one that you love, and you want them to be back with you? Maybe you have been separated for some time, been in no contact, or been ghosted. You may believe that it is impossible to get them back in 1 hour or less, but that's only a belief and not a reality. Nothing is impossible if you give up your limiting beliefs and doubts. With God or the universe, all things are possible. So remember that you are a co-creator of your own personal reality. And so therefore, the God force energy of the universe flows through you and nothing is impossible. If you believe that bringing your specific person back to you in an hour or less is possible and probable, then guess what? It becomes easy for you. So expect the miracle even if they left you. Expect the miracle even if they're ignoring you. Expect a miracle even if they've said, I don't have feelings for you anymore. Expect a miracle even if they found a third party. Join me in this meditation and go into it expecting a miracle. Expect that they will come back to you in 1 hour or less. Now make sure you are completely seated and just shut your eyes and relax. Listen to my words and then repeat them in your mind as I am saying them. Take a deep, relaxing breath, feeling yourself becoming calm and relaxed, totally at peace in a beautiful place, open and ready to accept miracles in your life. With your eyes closed, remember to recite what I say in your mind as I say it. Miracles flow into my life effortlessly, and I am open to receiving them with gratitude and joy. I am a magnet for miracles, and I attract positive and transformative experiences every day. I trust in the divine timing of my life, knowing that miracles unfold in perfect alignment with my journey. I am a powerful creator, and I manifest miracles through the thoughts and energy I channel into the universe. Miracles are a natural part of my existence, and I welcome their presence with open arms and a grateful heart. I release any limiting beliefs and embrace the boundless possibility for miracles that exist in every aspect of my life as a co-creator of my reality. I effortlessly manifest miracles that align with my highest good and the good of others. I am a beacon of positivity, and miracles are drawn to me like a magnet, enhancing the beauty and magic of my journey. My specific person wants deeply to be back with me. Every moment of my life is an opportunity for a miracle, and I am experiencing a miracle this very moment. My specific person desires me with all of their heart and soul. They want to be connected to me. They want to reach out to me. They want to embrace me. They want to love me. I trust that everything is flowing together between me and my specific person, and that miracles are unfolding in our life. We will not only be together, but stay together and be happy and completely fulfilled. I am so deeply and profoundly grateful that my specific person has come back to me. They want to spend a life of happiness, love, and joy together. I am grateful for all the good things that happen in my life. I am grateful that I am a person filled with love. Love surrounds me. Love envelops me. Love fulfills me. Love fills me. I am so grateful that we are together now. It is already done. You can now open your eyes and put your hand over your heart and make a commitment that you are going to hold on to this vibrational energy and belief. What you choose to believe, you can expect to receive. Something is going to happen. You're going to get a knock at that door, or maybe a phone call, or maybe a text. I don't know exactly how it's going to unfold for you, but I do know that it is going to unfold. Allow it to unfold. Accept it and believe it. I hope you enjoyed this meditation. Type, "They want to be connected to me now," to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.